Alright, hey YouTube, back again in the garage. Gonna do a little update here on my Sub-Zero computer. Um, uh, Me and my buddy were just talking, and the computer's been running about 20 minutes now, and we're talking about how maybe it's not the issue of the software so much it is as an issue with the CPU not being able to read these types of temps, because the sensor in the CPU might just not be able to do that. So he's like, hey, maybe those overclocker guys, they probably use some sort of you know, thermal sensor. The garage floor is at 4 degrees. Inside here, 2, 5. This is Fahrenheit. Ooh, we should change it so people. So we're definitely very cold, huh? What's the radiator at? Negative 13. Negative 15 on the water. How cold's my mouse? Negative 18 on the mouse. Negative 18 on the keyboard. Ooh, the monitor is really warm. Negative 8 Celsius. Oh, wow. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, it's definitely below freezing inside the whole thing. Still shows 0 on the board, or well, the board, the CPU, everything. Boom, 0. So yeah, I guess it's, ooh, that's a bad angle. I guess it's probably more just a hardware issue. Power supply is a -1, so it's got to be just a hardware issue. So yeah, we're still water cooling significantly below 0 or below freezing. Well, I guess. Okay. The desk. The desk, or the toolbox, is -7 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, -4 on the floor. So yeah, Sub-Zero is real. It is definitely below freezing out here, baby. And she's water cooled, below freezing. I think we're just having a hardware issue. Thanks for watching again. If you have any more suggestions for this, awesome. But again, can't overclock on this thing. This is just more for just to see if this would work. If I want to shell out the money and see if I can do this with an actual overclocking computer, I might, but we'll see if we want to do that or not. This is more of a proof of concept, just to see if it would work, and so far it does. It seems to be working pretty decent in very cold temperatures. So yeah, thanks for watching again, and leave any comments, suggestions, whatever. Thanks, guys.